In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Chrome extension. We'll walk through getting it set up in your browser quickly and confidently, so you can start taking advantage of handy CRM tools like email tracking and productivity features right inside Chrome. Even if you're new to browser extensions, don't worry, this will be clear and simple. First, open the Chrome Web Store. Make sure you're using the Google Chrome browser on your computer. The Web Store is the official place to find and install extensions safely. When you arrive, you'll see a clean page with categories, featured items, and a search bar near the top. If the page looks unfamiliar or cluttered with pop-ups, double-check that you're on the official Chrome Web Store and not a third-party site. Next, use the store's search bar to look for HubSpot sales. Type the phrase exactly as it's commonly listed, HubSpot sales. Press enter and you'll see a list of results. You're looking for the official HubSpot sales extension, typically identified by the orange sprocket logo and published by HubSpot. It should have a solid number of users and reviews, which helps confirm you've found the right one. Take a moment to read the brief description to ensure it matches what you need. Email tracking and CRM tools for Chrome. Once you've found it, click into the extension's details page and select the Add to Chrome button. This is the standard way to begin installing any Chrome extension. Verify you're on the correct item before clicking. Sometimes similar tools appear in search results, but you want the official HubSpot option. When you click Add to Chrome, Chrome will prepare the installation and prompt you to continue. Finally, confirm installation. A small pop-up will appear describing the permissions the extension needs to function. Things like reading and changing data on specific sites associated with its features. Take a moment to review these. If everything looks good, click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install the extension, and you should see a brief confirmation message indicating it has been added. If you ever see that the button says Remove instead of Add to Chrome, that simply means it's already installed. That's it. You opened the Chrome Web Store, searched for HubSpot Sales, clicked Add to Chrome, and confirmed the installation. From here, you're ready to have HubSpot's capabilities available right in your browser. If you encounter restrictions on a work device, you may need admin approval. Otherwise, enjoy a smoother workflow with HubSpot integrated into Chrome.